Welcome back to another Dishes by MI video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make barbecue beef tacos. I'm telling you guys, this beef is so good, you can eat it by itself. Or you can use it as a filling for basically anything. Tacos, sandwiches, wraps, lasagnas, meat pies, anything of the sort. So if you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get to the video. So the ingredients for this recipe are old El Paso taco shells. Get the regular size. I made a mistake by buying the extra large to make this video. The extra large, it's good, but it doesn't stuff it as well as the regular size version. You know what, let me show you guys a comparison. As you can see, the regular size just stuffs it better. The next ingredient you will need is ground beef, which I'm going to show you how to season up in a minute. Also, you're going to need barbecue sauce. I use Krafts Mesquite smoked barbecue sauce as the flavor, just really worked for me. Last but not least, you're going to need half a large onion or one small onion. The first thing we're going to do is wash off our beef with vinegar and lime, then pat dry it as much as possible. Now we're going to season our beef with a quarter teaspoon of garlic and herb seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of jerk seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of Mrs. Dash seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, and finally a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to use a wooden spoon and combine. I don't know about you guys, but beef is one of the most gorgeous raw meats in my opinion. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of olive oil and combine. Then add half a teaspoon of thyme leaves and stir it a final time. Now we're going to dice our onion. Using a sharp knife, trim off both ends of the onion, being sure to leave the root intact. Then we're going to peel away the skin. Then we're going to lay the onion cut side down with the non-root end facing us. Then we're going to make cuts vertically through the onion, being careful not to cut through the root. Finally, we're going to turn the onion so the root side faces left and make another set of vertical cuts to create the perfect dice. Now we're going to heat a saucepan with enough oil to cover the bottom and add our onions. Using a wooden spoon, we're going to spread the onions evenly across the saucepan. Then we're going to allow them to sit for about 10 minutes so that they can get some caramelization, which just basically means that we're going to allow them to brown so that they can release some dark, rich, sweet flavors. It's been about 10 minutes, so now we're going to add our seasoned beef and allow it to cook in the oil that we used to saute the onions. We're going to cook the beef for 15 minutes, stirring it occasionally until it reaches a pale brown color. "15 minutes have passed And it's now time to add 1 cup of our barbecue sauce. Be sure to stir it until it is thoroughly combined with the beef. Now we're going to turn the pot to the lowest heat and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. And with that, our beef is finished. Look how delicious it looks. It's now time to prepare our taco shells. In each taco shell, place 2 halves of a slice of cheese. It may look like a small amount right now, but remember I'm using an extra large taco shell, so it's going to look like a lot more in regular sized taco shells. However, if you're making your taco shells and it looks like a small amount, feel free to put more cheese. Bake the taco shells at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes so that the cheese can melt. What? It's finally time to stuff the taco. Take 3 heaped spoonfuls of beef mixture and place them into each taco. Fair warning, it's gonna get pretty messy. And that's it. Plate and enjoy. If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Until next time, walk good.